Чокаден роднояко, шурпако, асалако, шерпаланго. Уста кишиди дига ҳамаҷо тамоми хороши мезани. Перчаткиро пӯшем. Холодильник. Шумо мада гарани, баъд мотивация додестен. Анхеку видео, шмидео, анхе кадан мегирам иншалло. Обязательно аптечкача дорум. Очки, мегум ку дастума бисёри бад мебарам. Мезанам. I see you! Oh my gosh!
Okay, somebody's going up my steps. I hope they do.
Hello, sir.
The ice maker ain't working.
Ice maker is not working.
No, it's not. What does that mean to me?
It means that there's not enough temperature.
Really?
Yeah. Here's have to be 0 and here's the 36 and 38. Can I use this one?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay. намекнани мардакчанд солаи 80 сола ҳай тоқа зиндагӣ мекна ҳеҷ кани гош намекна. Всё, в принципе, понятно. Система оттайкаш кор намекна. He's not going to the defrost.
Okay.
And so here's the heating element is not working. Or, you know what? The better is just to turn off it. It's not cooling at all.
It's not cooling?
No.
What is it doing now? Nothing, just only making noise?
What?
Let me see.
Yeah, it's just the fan working. That's it.
Okay.
I gotta come back morning. Okay.
Very good.
Tomorrow I will come early.
Sure.
My name?
Yeah.
Farzona.
Arizona?
Farzona, yes.
Like Arizona?
Not Arizona, but just a
What-
Farzona.
Fire. I said fire.
You can call me just a fire.
Fire.
Fire the fire. All right, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I mean,
See you tomorrow.
see you tomorrow.
Bye.